Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Clarity front wheel drive hybrid. And that engine is just whispering, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And you see that it does have LED headlight surrounds, and if any of these LEDs appear to flicker, that's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. They don't flicker to the human eye. You see that it does have alloy wheels. And there's actually trunk space under here, which Honda does a great job of utilizing every cubic inch of their vehicles. And these are caps on alloy rims. And you see right there that it does have a 12-volt power outlet right there. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here, and the last four digits of that are 1321. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 19,926 miles on this vehicle. And that tells you the situation of anything that has issues, and you see it has none. It has a range of 316 miles on the gas that it has right now. Then you got your paddle shifters, your push to talk, your stereo controls, cruise controls, there's your push button start. And then here you've got your, actually we just have the home menu up right now. So from here you can go to info, and if you let this be, then it'll just go ahead and go to your vehicle energy as well and show you your range and then your EV range as well. So it does need a charge, but it has plenty of gasoline, so it's telling you there. Okay, and then right down here you've got your audio, and then there are your audio sources of FM, AM, Sirius XM, USB, Bluetooth, and then others that come along with that territory, like your iPod and Pandora and such. Then you can turn it off that way, and then you can bounce on back home, go to your smartphone connection, and if we put it in reverse, then there's your backup camera. It's super clear and it has steering guides. And then we just put that in park. Coming down here, you've got your econ mode, then your sport mode, I'll show you right here, and then your HV. So we'll just go ahead and leave it on sport since we got plenty of gas. And then you come down here, you got your shifter and your park brake, cup holders, and then right here you've got your key fob and glove compartment. Up here you've got your sunglasses holder, and then your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. Pretty straightforward vehicle, super clean. And this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.